Welcome to the latest edition of Rare Diseases Updates, covering breakthroughs in the past 2 weeks, brought to you by LucidQuest. Plus Therapeutics reported that Ryobic, or rhenium Re-186 obisbemida, received FDA orphan drug designation for pediatric malignant gliomas. The company said the scope was broader than requested and also included pediatric ependymoma, as pediatric studies continue under an FDA-cleared IND. Travere Therapeutics announced that Filspari, or sparsentan, won FDA approval for focal segmental glomerulosclerosis, becoming the first and only approved treatment for FSGS. The filing drew on Phase 3 DPLEX and Phase 2 DUET data, despite the Phase 3 study not beating active comparator on kidney function at 108 weeks. Yuhan said YH35995 received FDA orphan drug designation for Gaucher disease. The oral glucosylceramide synthase inhibitor is in Phase 1 in healthy volunteers in South Korea, and the company highlighted preclinical blood-brain barrier penetration as it targets unmet need in type 3 Gaucher disease neurological symptoms. Soleo Health launched SoleoRare, a dedicated specialty pharmacy focused on rare, ultra-rare, and orphan disease patients and caregivers. The company said the model brings together patient care, access, and commercial support teams under a clinician-led approach. Roche reported that ENSPRYNG, or satralizumab, met the primary endpoint in the Phase 3 Meteoroid trial in myelin oligodendrocyte glycoprotein antibody-associated disease. The company said the drug reduced relapse risk by 68% versus placebo in a setting with no approved therapies, cited in the source. Star Therapeutics said VGA-039 received both FDA Rare Pediatric Disease designation and Breakthrough Therapy designation for routine prophylaxis in von Willebrand disease. The once-monthly subcutaneous monoclonal antibody is being studied in a pivotal Phase 3 trial, enrolling patients aged 12 and older. Novo Nordisk reported that etavopivat met both co-primary endpoints in the Phase 3 Hibiscus trial in sickle cell disease. In the 52-week study, the therapy reduced annualized vaso-occlusive crises by 27% and improved hemoglobin response versus placebo on top of standard of care. AstraZeneca and Alexion said Ultomiris, or ravulizumab, met the primary endpoint in a pre-specified interim Phase 3 analysis in IgA nephropathy. The ICANN trial showed a statistically significant and clinically meaningful reduction in proteinuria at week 34, with eGFR to be assessed at week 106. Stay ahead in rare diseases research. Like, share, and subscribe for our updates. Visit www.lqventures.com or email us at info